in the valley of your heart. The sun it rises slowly as you warm away from all the fears and all the faults you left behind. The harvest left no food for you to eat. You cannibal, you meat eater, you see. I've seen the same, I know there's shame in your defeat. But I call out hope, and I let you show harmony new surrounds. You're in that kingdom, find strength in pain, and I will change my ways, know my name as it's cold again. Patrol, refresh my broken mind. So tell me to the best of my ears. I can see it all, so orphans through my tears. No more cold, it's not my fault, and it's not my blood. Of your cave, walking on your hands, and see the world hang upside down. You can understand dependence when you know their maker's hand. So maybe